Go! Guys, are you having a good Halloween?
Great Halloween.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Thanks to this bonfire, I'm feeling quite warm. How about yourself?
It is a good bonfire.
It's a very good fire.
Okay.
You guys want to hear a story?
Is it scary?
It's weird,
Weird.
but it is
Explain.
scary.
Okay, go.
She had some
Oreos chocolate.
food in your mouth. It's alright. We
Once
understand.
upon,
Once upon.
hold on.
You can just
Anyways,
spit it out.
yeah, just
Really?
You
yeah.
can talk through real quick.
So he's got the scary story for us.
It's kind of weird.
Yeah, I don't know where he's going with the scary story
No,
thing.
I'm
So
not
far,
understanding.
I'm just not scared. But he seems to have a point amongst all the chocolate.
I have a finger.
There's his finger and maybe a point. Who knows?
Anyway. Once upon a time, back in the early 1800s, there was an urban legend. This legend was full of awe, mystery, wonder. Remind me not to eat another one of these because I might throw up.
Sure thing, so don't jump down on it.
Maybe I won't.
Good.
Good, you can have it.
Urban legend.
Anyway, urban legend. This urban...
So, urban legend.
Yeah.
Did you know
This
that?
urban legend was a bit odd. Most other legends involve blood, gory guys that are weird, you know, with
Right.
chainsaws and stuff.
Right.
This one involved feathers. And
Feathers?
yeah. And bird poop. yeah.
Doesn't sound too
It's-
scary.
Yeah, no, I'm
That's
not,
why
I'm
I'm
not,
saying it's weird.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Alright.
this story happened back in the early 1800s. These girls, one, they both kind of look like you guys, you know, about 5'8", blonde hair. The other one, you know, about 5'5", red hair, kind of gangly, big teeth. Anyway, they were walking.
Eat that food, Matt. Yeah.
I am.
They're walking.
They were walking through the woods over in Alton, Illinois. You guys familiar with that area? Great.
Really?
Anyway, Alton, Illinois. They heard a sound. They were just walking on the gravel road and they heard a weird sound. It was a beep 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 beep.
Like a car beep or like a chick peep.
Like a chipmunk. Like a
Oh,
except you had the beep
the
beep beep beep.
and then, right.
Yeah, yeah. So they kind of just looked back and you're like, what the hell was that? They're like, well, let's keep looking for that chipmunk. So they keep walking down the road, and their uncle, who has a carriage, is kind of walking by. He's like, "You guys find that chipmunk yet?" And they're like, no, Uncle Freddie, we haven't. Freddie. Huh?
Ready?
It's
Interesting
kind of
name.
scary.
So, about a half mile later, the peeping comes again, and it's louder, and keeps gaining and gaining. So then, 20 feet later, exactly, they were walking, and all of a sudden, everything just went silent. No mosquitoes, no
Birds?
peeping, no nothing.
Crickets.
No crickets, no frogs, nothing. They looked around. It was like the world was silent around them. And then 5 seconds later, this big giant yellow thing comes
What
falling
was
on top of them
Whoa,
and
whoa.
going.
What was it, Matt?
Was it a turkey?
What was it? That
That's why they call it urban legend.
what was it?
Because they don't know, Katie.
Matt.
It was a big giant yellow thing. They went.
Matt.
I don't know what
This
it
isn't
is.
funny. Matt, what
Yeah,
was it?
what was it?
I don't know. But I'll tell you this. The girls were never seen. Yeah, you know I'm talking about Big Mac. Again.
Matt, this is Matt.
That's what are you?
Urban
you're
legend.
stupid. Please.
No,
But feathers? I mean,
I know.
What's
and the
it-
peeping and
I
Where
know.
does the bird poop come from?
And they described this yellow object as just
I mean,
was
could
big.
they make it out? What?
Yeah, I mean,
Well, like
what
I
about
said-
Freddy?
Freddie
Yeah.
was the witness, but he could only barely see it. He couldn't see a thing.
You just saw the yellow blob.
Right.
The big yellow blob.
But
And
the
it flew
girls were
away.
never seen again.
I just saw it. I seriously just saw the big yellow thing. I am not joking. You guys, you don't believe me. No, you just told it.
What are you talking about?
You got, this is not
You're
funny,
so
you guys. Seriously, it was just right.
Yeah.
It was there. I swear.
What are you talking about? I see nothing. There's nothing there.
there.
See.
No, I'm not. I saw. Matt?
Matt?
Matt! Matt! Oh my God! Run! Run! Matt, are you okay? Matt, wake up! Matt, wake up! Wake up! Matt! Matt, it's us! Matt!
Dude.
Matt!
Beep beep. Beep 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 beep.
What? Matt! Matt!
Oh God.
Dude, I'm not running away.
I'm gonna write the poop.
Alright, question. I see your hand. Oh.